What is up, everyone? This is Jeff with Game Day Legends coming at you with another first look. We have the 2025 Donruss Hobby Blasters. Pick these up online. We got these in pretty quickly. We're going to be getting 90 cards per box. That's 15 cards per pack, 6 packs. We're looking for one autograph or memorabilia card. Here you go. We're going to be looking for those blaster exclusive, which are the red and blue parallels, and we're going to be looking for that exclusive whammy, the ultra rare whammy that is eluding us. Hopefully we'll be able to find it. Here's everything you can get in the box. Once I open this, I will show you more. Hope everybody's having a great Wednesday. Happy almost 4th of July. We're almost there. Hope everybody has got big plans with family or doing something fun, doing some cookouts or anything like that. We got a whole bunch of family here in town, so we're going to be looking at cookouts and parades and fireworks, so a whole bunch of fun. Plus we got so much content this weekend, so stay tuned for that. And here, I promised you I'd show you what's on the box without a lot of wrapping. If you want to zoom in, there's going to be, it's a 200 card base set, including 100 base and 100 base rated prospects. So there you go. Get this one open. We got some Marvel this weekend, some Star Wars. We got foam and baseball. We're going to take it back to 2023. And let's see what else we got. Probably some more Donruss baseball if we can find it. The retail version. And since we've already opened the first off the line, and now the Hobby Blasters, we'll get a look at what the retail is all about. But let's get into this and see what we can get. All right. Love me some Donruss. All right. We've got Don Mattingly. Alright, and we got Jimmy Rollins, Jeff Bagwell. So you're going to get a lot of base. Yadier Molina. And we got Ricky Henderson. Let's go. Mike Piazza. Michael Young. Awesome. For your Rangers, Jim Thome, and here comes our red and blue exclusive. We got Brooks Lee, nice, take that. And we got a Johnny Bench. This is going to be backwards. This is going to be our optic. Very cool. There you go. And we got a black parallel. These are not numbered, but very cool. Jim Palmer. Nice little color match there. Ooh, we got an autograph. Roderick Arias, right off the bat. Nice, we'll take that. That is going to be 7 out of 25. Sweet, we'll take that. I think I got him in one of my boxes already. My first off the line. Chris Davis. And we got Slade Caldwell and Kyle Teal as our rated prospects. Very cool. So we're starting off right. We got an auto. Very cool. Go through this base. Get that out of the way. King Griffey Jr. The big unit. Upper Pujols. Spencer Arrighetti, Tyson Neighbors on the, looks like the Rocket parallel, rated prospect, Kobe Mayo on our optic, there you go, and we got a rainbow, oh no, we got an optic of Cliff Lee, sweet, Chase Burns on our red and blue, Kellen Lindsay, and Tyson Neighbors is our rated prospect. Sweet. Yeah, I wasn't expecting the auto right off the bat, but we will take it. Alright. Let's get through this base. Alright, there you go. There we go. We got Zebby Matthews, rated rookie. Tony Olivia. Will Clark. Buster Posey on the red and blue. Will Clark. Nice, we'll take that. On the optic, we got Agustin Ramirez on the not numbered. Looks like the orange velocity. Sweet. We got Marvels of Nick York. James Triantos and Vance Honeycutt. Sweet. And we got 3 more packs to go. Definitely a fun product. I think I've already built the set out with both of my first off the line boxes. Paul Skeens, there you go. Got a rated rookie of Will Wagner. Looking for that whammy. Luke Garrett. Jack Bloss. The manager that haunts me from Boston. Colt Keith. And we got another one of those Rocket James Triantos of Chicago. Rated prospect. Tony Olivia on the optic. Then we got Don Mattingly on that black. That's sweet. Tony Perez on the red and blue. Christian Campbell and Aiden Miller. All right, keep it moving. Yeah, rated rookie, Jairo Arati. Sure I said that wrong. Manager, base. Dylan Cruz on the rated rookie. Tony Perez on the red and blue. Jesus Mate on the red and blue rated prospect. Let's go. That is awesome. We'll take that. Boom. Zebby Matthews on the optic. Charlie Condon on the optic rated prospect. Nice. Travis Bazzana and Colin Huck. All right, one more pack to go in the first blaster. I'd say this blaster's been a success. All right, let's get it moving. We got here, we got Nick York. Whammy. Catfish Hunter. And we got one more of those little Rocket Rhett Louder. Nice. Connor Norby on the optic. Sweet. Nolan Ryan on the orange velocity. We'll take that. Very nice. Kendall George on the red and blue. Luke Kershaw and Braden Montgomery. All right, let's get these out of the way and make room for the next blaster. Hits over there. See if we can get another auto. Let's get another Roman Anthony auto. Would be nice. Doesn't look like a nothing in this one. We got red and blue of Pedro Martinez. Nice. Brooks Lee. It's going to be just an optic. We got the Bucky Dent. Ooh, we got a nice Jersey Kings of Trey Morgan. That is nice. Very cool. Not numbered? Not numbered. Put him up there. So one auto and one jersey. Unleashed of Charlie Condon. Nice, we'll take that. Alright, and then we got Ryan Clifford and Kyle DeBarge. Sweet. Alright. Keep it moving. I guess the first pack has the hit, which is cool. We'll take it. James Wood. Alright. There we go. Brett Lauder on the rated rookie. There you go. Brady House, numbered at a $2.99. Very nice. Alright, and then we got Jim Thome on the optic. Brian Eldridge on the black. Nice. Nice. We got a James Wood on the red and blue. Nice little color match for the Nationals. Alright, then we got Gonzalez and Orlando. So we have not seen Roman Anthony yet, or what else are we looking for? Evan Carter, and another one of those spaceship parallels. This is going to be Junior Caminero. That's nice. Take that. And we got Michael Young, awesome on the optic. And we got another orange Velocity, Kyle Teal. Jackson Churio on the Elite Series. Benj and Leo DeVries. Right. So we got here. See. Keep it moving. King Griffey, Big Unit, Pujols, Spencer Arrighetti, Owen Hall on the spaceships, Mike Piazza on the optic, Frank Thomas, nice, that's awesome, on the black. Sammy Sosa, nice little color match. Tommy Troy and Jacob Zerikowski. 2 more to go. This has been super fun. I can't wait to get the regular retail. I believe there's $27, but you can get these for, I think it's like $29. So I don't know. I might just order these. I mean, you get so many parallels in them. I got Zebby. Robin Ventura on the red and blue. Vance Honeycutt. Ricky Henderson on the optic. Connor Griffin. Red prospect. Bateman and Lombardo Jr. last pack. Appreciate everybody stopping by. We'll be back here tomorrow with Bowman Baseball 2023. Got 3 blasters. We're going to go Roman Anthony hunting. Our last chance for a whammy. Paul Skeens, Will Wagner, Colt Keith, Mike Schmidt, nice. Got our little Molina on the optic. Rated rookie of Darren Baker, Christian Moore, Starling Kaba, and here's our last one, James Tibbs, 3rd. Well, we got autos, we got Jesus Mate, we got Nolan Ryan, we got a patch of Trey, forget his last name. We got James Wood on the red and blue, and we also got a Birdie House numbered at a $2.99. I think we did pretty good today. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. We will talk to you tomorrow. Peace.